Biafra Liberation Army jubilate as they overpower Nigeria army today. No be small thing, no. They say Hope Uzodinma is suffering from hunchback. As Simon Ekwa has tweeted, no be small thing is happening. Hello, my wonderful people. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. I've been saying this thing for a very long time. Say this Facebook where we dey inside. You guys they take day and may wanna try to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could get our update that side. As Facebook they do. If once you start the talk truth, they are looking for a way to bring you down. So follow. If you no see our video for Facebook, our YouTube will always show up on the page. Just click it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. With time, we'll be back in Facebook as well. Okay, my people. Go ahead, go read that wetin Simon Ekwa tweeted today concerning Hope Uzodinma. Say as he be now, the man don't get hunchback. He even say me they go confirm. Okay, more read them come as I say breaking. Hope Uzodinma is still seriously down with life-threatening sickness like a spiritual hunchback. I challenge those calling him to go and confirm by themselves. Stop calling him on phone call. Ask him to show you his back. He is now back from where he went for spiritual healing. Go and confirm. This is coming from Simon Ekwa, and he also went ahead to say that my grandmaster just informed me that the hunchback will hit him badly anytime he plan any evil against me. Going forward, please forward this message to the Udele Ndimo that we are monitoring him in his own bedroom. No be small thing, no. Things are really happening. Things are really happening. We are bringing you this information that this is what the Simon Ekwa have tweeted today concerning Hope Uzodinma. My people, what do you think about this particular information that is bringing? We know that the Imo State is very, very hot since when all these things is happening, even till today. The bombardment that is going on right now is also happening in Imo State. We have said this in before. When people do not choose you, don't choose yourself. When people do not love you, don't force yourself for them to love you. So almost do something that people like. This is what the world need right now. But in Imo State, surprisingly, somebody who didn't even come second to the election become first. And this is a shock to Ndi Imo today. Likewise, what happened between Obi and Tinubu, we are still watching. They say something will happen. Nothing will actually happen. The only thing that will save us from all these things is our own total independence, our own total freedom, which is the Biafra coming. So let's hope and pray hard that Biafra will come. And this is our prayer. And it will surely happen someday. Okay, my people, we are going to go ahead and play you the video of how the Biafra Liberation Army is being jubilating today. And we are going to come back and as well and continue. So there's a lot of story to hear today. There's a lot of things to talk about. A lot of things that happened. And we are going to bring it to you for you to see. Stay tuned where we play you the video and for you to also watch and see and also hear by yourself. Okay, stay tuned and watch the video.
Their fighter jets don't come. They think say now the Biafra Liberation Army and they're gonna use they joke with. As all I popo yanu a collect ya hori pugasa. How they can go to go this jet I had jana. Can go to go jet now. Dazada Pararampa Kadako Unu Dako and Ayara Biafra Liberation Army. They won't try you. They won't try Biafra Liberation Army. They got Nigeria Army. I get jet now, yeah. I was all I had an arm for us. Ondo put Yagisi. Ondo put. I'm by no message you. I'm one video. I was looking to one. Ondo put Yagisi. Yazora. Go. I collect ya. Who body? Make you see him. Say they happen. We know the joke. This is Baron the gentle lion. It's a boss. Let you see collect ya. I know the joke. But I think Nigeria will do so.
Okay, my wonderful people, you're highly welcome back as you have watched that video and see and hear everything that this young man, which is Biafra Liberation Army, said in this particular video, that their fighter jet have come and go and they leave no harm to them, but rather go in pain. So this is what he's saying in this particular video. For those of you who don't speak Igbo and they can't challenge Biafra Liberation Army, that Biafra Liberation Army is a well-trained and well-equipped army, as you have said. So no be smart, you know, things are really happening in that bush. Okay, we'll go ahead now, go look into what they happen around the world as will they bring and they come to you. May you stay to know. No be smart thing they say. Say no be smart thing they happen for the country wey be Niger Republic. He say that French ambassador wey say e no go comot, say Niger na their country. They say today the military don finally escort am comot for im office. May him go in way because if he no comot, stove fit go land for him head. Even though if say military no come guide and comot, no be small thing for happen to am today. The French ambassador wey dey for the jail don finally go comot. But my advice before we go play the video, if any Niger who's watching, you speak English, please listen to me very attentively. At this time this man leave, you guys have to be very, very wise and careful. Because white man, they don't want something to happen to their own. When something happening, they began to evacuate their people first before they take any action. Okay, and that's what we say. Okay, we'll go play the video the moment the military are escorting him out of office. Welcome back as I watch that video and see how that French ambassador is living and the people are chanting to leave our country. Actually, this is not the Africa did not start it first. I remember, if it is not this thing that happened in Africa, you will be hearing 40 Nigerians deporting from Germany, 20 Niger, Africa deporting from Italy, 40 this one, 20 deporting from US, this one deporting from here, from France. But since all these things are happening, you hardly hear this kind of news anymore. Do you think these people are finished? They know what they are doing. The country you reap, thief everything, put the children to suffer, and you go and beautify your own country. The same people will come there, you chase them out and give them conditions. Some people commit suicide because of documents of other in Europe side, and the same people come to your country, you do them today. They are waking up and ask you, that thing you are eating in our land, stop eating it, is our own. And you guys want to come and interfere with military. If Africa allow this thing to happen or allow anything to happen to any military coup country, that say no to these Western puppets and their colonial masters. Any country that support this, that country is evil. It don't mean to be in an Africa. So my people, na so we see am today for inside Niger Republic, and I will say we bring am come show una wetin dey happen for that area. Okay, my people, na today we go end am for here. Abeg no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because for now we no going to be posting on Facebook because of some of their issues, until when everything is resolved, and we'll be back on Facebook again. So always check the link will drop on the Facebook. We're going to be sharing it on Facebook. Click it and come to YouTube immediately and watch. Thank you so much.